Hi, in today's video, I'm going to compare the hosting solution between the Godaddy and the Hostinger. So, first of all, I'm going to show you the hosting services provided by the Godaddy. Now, this is basically the hosting which is standard, and this is a shared web hosting plan that I'm going to compare between the Hostinger hosting and Godaddy hosting. So, first of all, in the basic package, that is the web hosting starter, which is offered for 4.99 a month, and it includes one website and 10 GB space and cPanel based control panel. While the economy package, which is you can say a bit upgraded with space, and it has 25 GB space and cPanel and free domain, free email, and 1 year SSL certificate. While the web hosting deluxe package, which is $10 per month, contains 10 option for 10 websites, 50 GB NVMe space, cPanel based control panel, and free domain and free SSL, and also free unlimited SSL for all your websites. This is the option available from the GoDaddy shared web hosting plan. Now let's review the Hostinger web hosting plan, which is which starts from 2.99 a month and which is comparatively lower price as compared to the hosting plans offered by GoDaddy. Now, this plan has, with the basic plan, you can say you will get 25 websites and there will be 25,000 monthly visitors and there is 25 GB space and there will be 400,000 in nodes limit and they will provide free SSL, 25 mailboxes, and there will be weekly backup options and there will be no bandwidth limit. While in the hosting plan of GoDaddy, these details are not available. So now let's compare the other business plan, which is 3.99 a month, and it gives you 50 websites and a hundred thousand monthly visitors and 50 GB space and 600,000 in nodes limit. And it will also have unlimited SSL. It will contain 50 mailboxes and it will also have free domain and free CDN available too. Now let's compare the third plan, which is Cloud Startup, which starts from 7.99 per month and it allows you to build 100 websites and it has managed hosting. It will allow 200,000 visitors and it gives you 100 GB space, 2 million in node limit, and obviously the free SSL, 100 mailboxes, and free domain and free CDN. And it also has AI tools integrated into WordPress, and it also allows staging options, and also comes with dedicated IP address. Difference between Hostinger shared hosting is that it has HPanel based services, while this GoDaddy services are cPanel based. If we want to compare the cPanel based hosting from Hostinger, there are two options available. Now, the first option, which is the Hostinger server plan, starts from 2.59 per month, is comparatively cheaper as compared to GoDaddy, and it allows 50 websites, 30 GB space, 1 terabyte bandwidth, and it also has one click installer and allows you to have a free SSL as well. And the other package, which is cPanel Hosting Gold, starts from 3.59 per month. You can build 100 websites from this package, and it has 50 GB space and also offers free SSL. So, in my opinion, if you want to go for a cheaper option, and a good option. At the same time, I would suggest you to go with the Hostinger option because I have used both the Hostinger and the GoDaddy option as well. So I personally recommend the Hostinger web hosting based on HPanel, or you can also go for the cPanel option. But I personally using this Hostinger HPanel. So that's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.